Hey guys, this is Cody with Double C Custom Leather coming back to you guys with another video today. I'm gonna start a new series. So this video in particular is just an introduction to the series. The series is gonna be called Leatherwork Pro Tips. As most of you know, I do this as a part-time job. I basically collect revenue, side revenue on this this stuff. So all the holsters I make, I do it for a profit. However, you don't have to do it for a profit to benefit from these videos. So some of the videos will be business related. Some of them will be project related. The first couple ones I'm going to do are going to be project related, just to keep it simple. But the overall goal of this is just to share one or two quick little tips with you per video. So they're going to be super short videos, anywhere between like 3 and 10 minutes, depending on the whatever I'm explaining. But it's usually just going to be like little things that I've learned along the way to help me be more efficient, to help me make more money, to help me use my materials better, use my time more wisely, things like that. And most of them have to do with efficiency and just how to make your life a whole lot easier. There's a lot of tasks that are really tedious when it comes to leather work and really time consuming. So some of these will help you speed those up, and some of these will help you have a neater, better, cleaner overall looking project. So that's the introduction to the video. I'm gonna get started on one of them tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to put this video out and then also put the other video out directly behind it, so that way you guys aren't waiting around for one of these if you are excited. So like I said, it's gonna be short, it's gonna be sweet. There'll be tiny little tricks and tips, and I'll usually kind of point you in the right direction. If you're a beginner, some of these are going to be more advanced skills, some of these are going to be more beginner skills, and I'll point you in the direction on where you can find some of the stuff that I'm using, and some of the supplies. I've had people ask me and message me asking where do I get a certain tool that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and start linking those in the description. If you go back and check out my 10 tools video, I linked all those tools into the description, so you guys can go find those tools. And I tried to price them out the best quality for the best price. A lot of them are Amazon tools, but you can find Tandy tools on Amazon for better prices than what you can find on Tandy.com. So you guys go check that out, take a look at it, use the links, and buy your tools. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna get started on some of these videos and hopefully be able to put out a new one at least once every 2 weeks, hopefully once a week. Sometimes I might put out 2 in a week, just depends on how busy I am. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna get to work on these new videos.